for your channel. Hello guys, welcome to Mama Uganda's channel, and this is his son. This is the guy that handles this channel. Today I want to show him how he can actually make a content from their surrounding, how they live, how they stay, a very big family. If you don't know, Mama Uganda is a very popular lady known as the world's most fertile woman. She had 44 children and all of them were normal births. According to her, she had twins 5 times, triplets 5 times, quadruple 5 times, making her children total of 44. But she lost 6. That is sad. And currently she have 38 children staying with them. So this is her son and this is her channel. So I want him to show me around their house, show me his mom, show me his siblings. That is what we are going to be doing in this video. So are you ready to show me your?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, so come and show me your house.
Okay.
Yeah.
How many houses?
By the way, what's your name? You'd introduce your name, introduce yourself to the people.
Hello, my people. My name is Uganda, and I'm a son to Mama Uganda.
Okay.
Please comment, subscribe, and share for more videos.
Okay.
We love you all. Thank you so much for the great work done.
Okay, so what number of the child are you? How many twins were you when you were born?
I'm in level 7, and we were born 2 children, boys, 2 boys.
Okay, you are the 11th child,
Yeah.
and you were born 2 boys.
Yeah.
Where is your twin?
My twin is, for now, is not around. She is in S4, and she's on school right now.
Okay,
Yeah.
he's in the school.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what are you going to show us? Are you going to show us your siblings?
I'm going to show you some of my siblings and my mom, like, and where we live.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. You can introduce your mom.
Hello, my people. Hello, my people. This is my mom, Mama Uganda, the woman with 44 children. Yeah, and it's my mom.
Okay.
So, yeah.
Can you ask your mom what it feels like having a very big family? Ask her and interpret.
Family yange neyagaza yenyumirizaamu ndi musanyufu era sirina tabu.
Yeah, she's so happy and so fine with all of the kids and her family. Yeah.
Okay, that's good. So you want to show us what else?
I can show like Toko.
Okay.
Some of my siblings.
Okay,
and,
okay.
my
You
brother.
can show us your siblings and tell us how many they were when they were born.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now this is my brother.
Okay.
Yeah. What's your name?
No, you can just say this is my brother, and he is the oldest, sir, like that.
Okay. This is my brother, and he's some of the oldest sons. Yeah.
He was born how many?
They were born 2.
2.
Yeah. And 1 died.
Oh, 1 died.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. But he is the first.
Yeah.
The twin is the first child of.
Yeah. The first.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, can you show us another one?
Yeah. These are the grandsons.
The grandson.
Yeah, the grandsons. Yeah. And this one is the last born.
Okay.
And
The last,
also
this is the last born
the
here?
last born, yeah. And they were born 2.
He was born 2?
Yeah, the last born, they were born 2.
Oh, this is the last born of Mama Uganda. What's your name?
My name is Sefuma Imran.
Your name is what?
My name is Sefuma Imran.
What class are you in school?
I am in top class.
In top class. Okay.
Yeah, and this is also my sister, my young sibling.
Okay.
Yeah.
They were born how many?
They were born 3 of them.
3.
Yeah, 3 of them.
Oh.
Yeah.
Where is her twins?
I don't know, maybe this one and the next one.
It's okay if they are not around, you can come.
Some are not seeing them.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the most important thing is we have seen your elder brother, the firstborn,
Yeah.
and this is the last one. How old is the last one?
Last born is 7 years old.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow.
And also, these are my young siblings, sisters, my young sisters.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And this is our house. You can enter.
Okay.
And also, this is my older sister.
Okay.
The elder sister.
She's your older sister.
Yes.
She was born how many?
They were born three.
Three.
Yeah.
Is there any child here that is among the ones that were born five?
There's no
Four. I'm talking about the fourth.
Yeah, there are. There's the young, like the second young children.
Okay.
I can show you here.
Okay. They are in the school? Okay.
This one, and some are not seeing them. I think they're not around. They're at school right now.
Okay, this one is among the ones that was born for.
Yeah, yeah.
What's her name?
She's Aisha. Now that's Aisha.
Aisha.
Yeah.
Okay.
And this is our kitchen where we cook food from.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
And this is my brother. This is my brother.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So that is cool. Thank you so much for showing us around your house. I'm happy to be here today, and he has been showing me around his house and showing me his siblings, and it's so good to see them living in like a very big family, 38 people. Initially they were 44. Sadly they lost 6, but they have 38 people here. It's a very big family, and it's beautiful to see them here. So guys, if you're watching this video, please subscribe to him, because he will be showing you more of these videos. He will show you how they live their life, how they are going to schools, how they are able to live in a very big family, living in a family of the world's most fertile woman. So please subscribe and comment, show some love, so that he will produce more videos for you, show you their life in this village. What is the name of your village again?
Kasenge village.
Kasenge village. So this is Wow Nature right here. If you're watching this video from my side, please support him. He will be showing you more of Mama Uganda and the family. So thank people, tell them to subscribe.
My people, thank you so much for the work, for the great work done. I'm so happy. Yeah, thank you for subscribing, commenting, and sharing. Okay. So people who are there, when you want to help Mama Uganda and you don't know the ways of helping Mama Uganda or reaching Mama Uganda, subscribing, commenting, and share is the way of helping Mama Uganda. Thank you so much. Goodbye.
Thank you.